Good morning, YouTube world. This is Taybug here. I'm going to show you how to make my famous chicken pot pies. Get excited for this recipe because this is my version of a crustless pot pie. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you like it. And please comment down below what would you like to see me make next. Alright, let's get on to this video. First, I'm going to brown some sausage in a pan with some olive oil, and then I'm going to drain it and set it aside. Next, I'm going to take some good old-fashioned olive oil and I'm going to put it in a pan. I'm going to start to make my sauce for my pot pies. And then I'm going to take some flour, probably like a tablespoon of flour, and I'm going to put that in a pan as well. Next, I'm going to put some milk in the pan, and this is going to make the consistency of gravy, which is what I want. And I'm going to turn on the heat to medium low, probably like a 4 if you're using a gas stove. All in all, I probably put about a cup and a half of milk in there altogether. But you have to add it slowly, otherwise it'll just clump up really bad and it's not very good. And then I'm just going to consistently stir this until it looks like a consistency that I would like. This is the consistency that the gravy should be. It is really thick and it still stays on the spoon. It looks delicious. So I am stirring the pot. I just added my spinach. I didn't record that for some reason, but I did wash the spinach and I put about a half a bag of spinach in there. And then I'm just going to stir it around. And just keep stirring and talking to myself. I just love talking to myself. Next, I'm going to add my frozen broccoli that I thawed in the microwave, and I'm going to add that. Not too much, it's probably like a half a cup to a cup. And then I'm going to add my drained sausage from before. Add that in there. And then I'm going to stir it. Turn on the heat and stir. And I'm just going to keep stirring that. This is what it looks like currently. It looks super delish. It almost looks like a pizza topping, but in a different way. Next, I'm going to add some grated Parmesan cheese from the store. And I'm just going to add however much you think you should do. I like a lot of cheese in mine, so I go all out on my cheese. And I give that a good stir as well. And then I take my mozzarella cheese. I use mozzarella cheese in this recipe, but you can pick and choose however you like. I just thought mozzarella would be really good with the spinach. And I'm going to add about the whole bag. It's almost 2 cups. I like a lot of cheese. Don't judge me. Anyways, I'm going to add that to the mix, and I'm going to give that a really, really good stir. Yeah, as you can see here. Turn back on the heat, because we are going to melt the cheese in with the pot pie filling. And it's really stringy. And it is super delicious, and it smells amazing, by the way. The mozzarella cheese with the Parmesan cheese with everything else in there. It just smells really good. And here's a close-up of what I mean by stringy. It is amazing. Now I'm gonna make my crust, which this is a crustless pot pie, but this is what it's gonna bring everything together to make it a muffin-like. I'll show you what I mean at the end of the video. So I'm gonna take my pancake mix, about 1/4 of a cup. This is what's gonna bring everything together. It's gonna kind of like thicken it up and give it that mold. And then I'm gonna add some milk, not too much, probably about 1/8 of a cup. And then I'm gonna add some breadcrumbs. This is just gonna give it an extra seasoning. And some more Parmesan cheese. Not too much. And then I'm just gonna give that a quick stir. And just keep stirring it. And I'm gonna line my cupcake pan and spray it with olive oil. And then I'm just gonna add my mix to the bottom. Not too much, just a little spoonful is all you need. It's just part of the crust. And that's what it looks like. Now I'm going to take my handy dandy serving scoop and I'm going to add 1 scoop to each little pan thing, each little cup. And I'm just going to show you one of these. And this is what they look like. And I'm going to give them a quick tap just to make sure they're all distributed at the bottom. And then I'm going to take the mixture from before and put it on top of the pot pies. And that's going to add that crust, top crust. And these are what they look like. Now I'm just going to stick it in the oven for about 30 minutes. And these are what they look like after about 30 minutes in the oven. And they look and smell delicious. Alright, these are Tabug's famous pot pies. And these stay together even after you unwrap them. And this is exactly what I was going for. So I was really excited. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please give it a big thumbs up if you did, and please subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you soon. Okay guys, have a great day.